The bread has an attractive appearance and is incredibly delicious and well baked. Make sure to try it and enjoy eating it. Thank you for supporting this post. To make this delightful bread, we sift the flour and add all the tasty ingredients to it. We mix the ingredients together, then add cold milk along with breakfast cream to our mixture. We mix our seeds with vanilla and add that to the rest of the ingredients, mixing everything thoroughly. Now, the amount of water I mentioned in the recipe. We add gradually until our dough forms. Knead it for about 5 minutes with a machine or about 7 to 8 minutes by hand. After that, we add soft butter to the dough in 2 or 3 stages, kneading again until this dough becomes incredibly smooth. After using the machine, I checked the dough and saw it hadn't passed the stretch test well, so I kneaded it again until it reached this point and passed the stretch test. After that, we shape the dough into a smooth ball, then let it rest in a greased bowl with a lid until it doubles in size, which takes about an hour. After that, we take the dough out and divide it into 7 parts. Now, each one is shaped properly.
When you knead, make sure the way you knead is very important. The surface of the dough balls must be completely smooth. After all the dough balls are ready, we cover them and let them rest for about 10 more minutes. After resting, turn each dough ball upside down on the surface, press it slightly with your hand, and start rolling. With each roll, firmly fix the dough, and at the end, thin it out like this. Ensure the dough is firm, and with your hand, stretch it from the middle to the sides until our dough is about 4 centimeters long. We shape the rest of the dough balls into thin strips. Now, for a 7-strand braid, place 4 on one side and 3 on the other, and completely fix the top together. Now, on the side with 4, pass the first one under the last 2 and place it on the side with 3. Place it next to those 3. Make sure that each time, on the side with 4, the first one goes under the last 2 like this, and place it near the side with 3. We continue this weaving pattern in the same way until the end, then. Once the weaving is complete, make sure to fix the ends of the dough together completely so they don't open up during baking. After finishing the weave, place it on a non-stick sheet or baking paper dusted with flour, cover it until it doubles or 2.5 times in size. Once it has risen, mix an egg yolk thoroughly with vanilla and brush it all over the dough, and then if desired, sprinkle sesame seeds on top and place it in a very hot oven. Check the caption, and after baking, you can spread some butter on it. Enjoy your meal.